I know, just you're told, now you're told about happiness.
Happiness.
This is, you repeat. You told everyone has a soul. When the soul leaves away, you told something very beautiful now.
No,
Repeat.
You see, first I tell you, first we have ignorance, whole humanity is ignorance. Because we think we are mind, vital and physical. This is ignorance. We must think that we are a soul. This is a dress. This body is a dress of soul.
That is the.
This I have put in dress. I have changed many dresses. This is a mind, vital, physical is a dress of soul. We are soul. Then I will think soul, then my vision will change. To everybody I will think he is also soul. Because of soul he is walking. Because of soul I am talking with you. If I know soul I will die. Eh? Another thing, we think that there is one God, one supreme. The whole world is children of one God. So no difference this country, that country. There's a divine has created many varieties, many languages, many these things. Because of fun, we created for this world. So we should enjoy. We should feel oneness with each one, each human being. If I have a good will, if the person has a bad will, his bad will is not going to touch me. If I give you something, if you will not take it, it will come back to me. Eh? So like bad will like this, I was always happy with those people because I was carrying the good will for everybody. I was a guide. Through guide I have learned this.
Excuse me. Oh, okay. Very good. Continue.
And another thing.
I want to some sayings of mother. You have moved with mother in Auroville, no?
Yes.
You had a great experience with mother in 1968. From 1968 or what? From which year? When did you came here?
1968.
Next year. At that time you met our mother, Ashrama, directly.
Yes. You will read there.
No. You what did she tell you? You had a great experience, no? Mother means.
Mother.
Your eyes should have attracted. Beautiful eyes.
No, I tell you, I was an atheist.
You are a?
Atheist.
You may be, what's your age at that 68? You may be also older.
Older. But I was, when I came Pondicherry, I was atheist.
Atheist, you never remember.
I
don't believe God. Atheist.
Don't believe any religion.
No, that's good.
I was working in the Air Force. People used to say this God, that God. They asked me, what religion, what God you have. I said, I don't believe in any religion. They said, what do you believe? I believe on truth, I used to say. They asked me, what is the truth? That I said, I don't know, but I believe on truth. Then what happened? It is written. Then what happened? In one dream, I saw one lady has come in red horse and white dress. She looks like a Durga, but she has got two hands because in picture I used Durga's many hands. So I forget. Then after 2 years, I went to Delhi Ashram. Delhi Ashram, there was a Shirinda's mother's photo. I saw mother's photo. I said, this lady, I have seen her in a dream. Oh, mother came to my dream.
Oh, powerful.
Then I came to know there's a school in the Pondicherry Ashram. My son was studying Frankenstein School in Delhi. So I came here to study my son to this school, Pondicherry. My son got the education in Pondicherry. So then my birthday came. Each birthday we used to go to see mother. My birthday came, I made a doll, cloth. Then I gave the name to my doll, Nirmala. My name was Nirmala. I didn't know, I was an unconscious person, knew nothing of the world, nothing. Then I went there to see mother's room. People were asking, why you have not put in the box, why are you carrying like a child, your doll? I said, no, nothing. As mother was still there, I just put mother's lap.
Doll.
Mother knew what I have done, but I knew nothing. Mother laughed so loudly.
Laugh.
Whole ashram got on. I was surprised.
Uh,
And the people, they were sitting surprised. I got surprised. Later I came to know, I surrendered myself to her. I didn't know that time. You see?
loud.
So this is the story. Divine Mother, Supreme Mother came in my dream. Because I was...
I also, mother came in dream in rose fingers. Lucky for me also.
Oh, very good.
Because I was in some, I got some trouble in my official matter. I was worrying what to do. Mother came, all the wrinkles, very rose color. I was enjoying. I never seen mother because I was here. I missed. So it's a great opportunity. I was always happy. Oh, I see mother rose color, like you, rose pink. Nerves also I see in the dream.
Very
These nerves.
good.
So I'm lucky, like you.
Both are lucky.
Okay, that's great. Dream never comes. Usually the great stage never come, no? Rare.
Rare.
But very rare, very clear. I was as if live, I can feel it.
Yes.
And I never felt I missed her. The
That's
dream,
it.
very rose pink color. Nerves also I can see in the dream. Okay, that's great.
You see. And then afterwards...
Then what are any sayings?
My name was Nirmala.
Your coined as Narmala by mother.
After 15th September 1972, mother, she sent one slip written by someone to give to me. It was written, Elia with blessings, Jewish goddess. Mother gave me the name of Jewish goddess.
Who you? God, which god? Jewish goddess.
Jewish goddess.
Again, she gave her Nirmala, that was a goddess.
No, Nirmala. My name was Nirmala.
She gave Nirmala.
No.
Your name is Nirmala actually.
Actually, my birth name is Nirmala. Mother sent me name without my knowledge. I knew nothing. So the man who was working with mother, she said, mother has given me this message for you. He showed me slip. It was written E-L-I-A, Elia with blessings, Jewish goddess. Mother said me, you are a Jewish goddess.
Jewish goddess.
Jewish.
Jewish. Oh.
Jewish. When Jewish was crucified.
She is giving Jewish goddess. Oh.
When Jewish was crucified, at that time he said, Eli, Eli, why have you forsaken me? Mother said, you are a feminine aspect of Elia.
No, very good.
That's why I said my Elia I write. Then 72 I'm Elia writing. People know me as the name of Elia.
Elia.
Nirmala forgotten.
Forgot Elia, the name. Oh, the great.
E-L-I-A.
So then what more? Is a great, what do you call it, admiration, no? To be called as Elia, my mother itself is a great thing. I know.
Because she knows her previous birth, I know nothing. I was absolutely zero like a child.
She can predict also. Mother can predict, no? She knows everything, know what happens. Then what more? What's your experience? What more do you have experience? Every year you go and meet in the birthday, no? You go meet.
She gives a blessing packets, many things.
Many things. Every year you go to the room. Where Darshan? You go to inside.
Main building.
Main building. The down where the samadhi is there. There is a cot, no? There she is to give.
On the upstairs.
Upstairs also, outside. Upstairs outside.
Many
You go inside or wait out?
Inside.
You go inside. Okay.
We all were going. Not mine.
Then what more is your experience with your mother?
Because you see, I gave 68 and 72. Mother, she left her body.
72?
She left her body.
Yeah.
Not so many years, but she.
What work she gave to you? You put in your will or?
No, she asked people to make a family hut for her. I want to tell you the real story.
Family hut.
My son got admitted in the ashram school.
Admitted.
My daughter, Anjali, she was 4 years old. So mother said, please make a family hut for her. They prepared a family hut. My daughter, we shifted there. There was a barren land. And what I tell you, in my hut, there was a snakes.
There was a?
Snakes.
Flood.
Snakes.
Snake, I know. Oh, snake. Snake. Okay.
Snakes.
Snake.
My in kitchen snakes. In my books, scorpion.
Oh,
In front of my hut.
Yeah.
There was a snake pit.
Uh,
The foreigner
eh?
made a snake pit. We both daughter and we were living there. There was a cafeteria. The French other people.
In Auroville, you mean to say in Auroville?
I
Okay.
stayed 9 years or over.
You stayed 9 years in Auroville. Then
There was a cafeteria.
cafeteria.
And cafeteria, they don't know how to cook. The French people go to Pondicherry, bring a cook. He used to cook the food. And we were eating,
18.
eating, cleaning vessels. I was working in the kindergarten, and food didn't like because they were eating meat and very bad.
Huh?
Cheese, smelling cheese. French people.
Meat. French people used to meat.
And meat. We were vegetarian. We were whatever little we were eating fruit, this thing, that. Most of the people we were.
They drink also. They don't drink.
No, they
Sometimes.
no, they
Most they do not drink. Not allowed. Okay.
not allowed.
Okay, very good.
In
Next,
cafeteria,
next.
They were not allowed.
Then
Then we were living together with them.
the snake. What about the snakes? You told the snakes.
Snakes always 9 years.
How come we stay?
9 years.
At thatched house. Thatched.
9 years.
It didn't harm you.
No, it didn't harm me, but I used to see some white snake come. I said, this is typically, but I see, then he comes out as a snake. I have seen many snakes there. My daughter also.
Really? Poisonous snakes?
We were
They
no-
didn't harm you.
doesn't harm me and my daughter. 9 years.
9? How come, man? It's very it's something wonderful.
And then because this was barren land, when we used to come Pondicherry, our heart was full of sand.
No, why can't they give you a place here in Pondicherry? Why they?
No, I'm Aurovillian.
Ah.
I lived Auroville.
Oh, that's great.
I'm
Okay.
not Ashram.
Aurovillian. Okay, no problem.
I'm not Ashram.
That's great. That's great.
Ah.
So, what? That's a great experience to be with the snakes for 9 years.
Then,
It's something great, no?
when-
Okay, it's all miracle. Mother's guidance.
Mother
You've been
guide-
saved. That's what you can say. Otherwise, it's not easy to live with snakes and scorpions. Okay, mother blessings. Okay, that's great. So what more? What more you go? Can I?
Finish short, I'll finish it.
Eh?
Within two or three words, I will finish this. This not I'll go on.
Oh.
Then my daughter, there was a school. My daughter was in a new school, last school, names were given. One day, my husband asked to Anjali, my daughter name is Anjali, to write F father.
Right?
Just he asked because we know she's studying in the school, we both are working, my husband was working. She said, I don't know how to write, how to read. My husband got a shock. Tears came on his eyes. You are 13 years old, no nothing. Every day you are going to school. He said, I was climbing tree, eating family, going sea, playing this, playing that. In my shock state, my husband, he said, I don't want to live here. My daughter is uneducated. She's know nothing. She has never seen the money also. Because there's a forest, no?
That's good. That's good. How about your husband? What was he doing?
He
I
was-
never told about your husband.
My husband, he was working there in Delhi.
Delhi.
But when I came first, I called my husband.
He came.
Then he came. When he came, he said, where you have called me? I said, you say you called me the ashram. This is ashram? They all people were living chaddi and bra. Many years. My husband got a shock. What type of ashram is this? And man only chaddi.
No. Okay. Because recording.
You recording?
I'm recording it. So you should not send. Okay. Stop it. Okay. Then
Then now we want to come to Pondicherry because of my daughter.
Okay. Then you came there. Leave it. Okay. That's husbands came settle here in Pondicherry. Okay. You worked in the ashram yourself.
This was
I think